We know we have many rows related to south, right? Because we just have south in our data frame. However, over here, we can see only one row. Why? It's because we group it. Hi everyone, Rodrigo here once again for one more Tableau Prep video, and today I'd like to share with you guys how can we remove duplicated rows on Tableau Prep. Let's do it together. Here guys on Tableau Prep, I'm gonna just click on the sample flow superstore, alright? Then load for work with us. So our idea today is just to remove duplicated rows. So to do it, I'm just gonna remove those unnecessary steps from my Tableau Prep and work just with order south 2015 data source. Okay, from this data source I can just move it further to this step, remove nose step, to understand a little bit our data set. And let's say, for example, here I have region and state. Let's say I want to work just with those two fields in my data source, because the other ones I will just remove it in order to be more easy for us to understand how to remove duplicated rows. So let's just keep only those two fields. So now we have just region and state, and as you can see over here, here is the summarized view of those fields, and over here we have detail view, analytical view for each row in our data source. As you can see, we have Louisiana more than once. Also, we have Florida more than once. We have North Carolina more than once, and South definitely we have more than once, because all of these rows are related to South, right? And how can we just remove those duplicate? Let's say I want to work with just one single state in each row in my data source. How can I do it? We just have to click on over here and this plus symbol, then add a new step called, which one? Aggregate. Okay, this one, we're gonna work with that, aggregate. Once you select it, we have those two options to work in Tableau Prep. Though this part, grouped fields, it's related to how can we group our fields, our dimensions in our data source just in one single row, just to group by. Works like group by, right? And over here we have the measures to summarize our data frame. Be careful, because sometimes we don't want to summarize our duplicated rows, we want to remove duplicated. So to remove, we're gonna work just with grouped fields part, not with aggregate fields anymore. Okay, so let's say, for example, if I put it region is not a case because we just have south. Let's say if we put it, no, region could be good. Let's work with that. So drag and drop region here on grouped fields, and once you drag and drop, we know we have many rows related to south, right? Because we just have south in our data frame. However, over here we can see only one row. Why? It's because we grouped those. How can I just confirm? Let's confirm if this is true. If I put it this part sum that Tableau created automatically for us over here, if I drag and drop this, because it's a sum, I know it's a measure. If I drop it in this part, aggregated fields, you will see the number of rows related to this region south in our data set. And if we go back to Canva and click on plus and add a new clean step, for example, now our output just showcase one row with the sum of rows that we aggregated in the previous step, and the region south. So now I have only one row. And if I go back like 2 steps before, as you can see here, we have more rows. Now we have only one row by south. Anyway, we can just move in back to this aggregate one step and then do something more, because I don't want to just use south as result. Okay, I want to put it also state in this case. And if I drag and drop over here, Tableau will create the same logic, but now considering region, either region or state, to showcase the results for us. As you can see now, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 rows. Okay, so now we have 11 rows, and for each state and region, the combination, we can see over here how many rows we had before and how many rows we're gonna have now. We're gonna have 11, but previously we have 53 for this one, 139 for this one, etc. Right? And let's say I don't want to keep this field in my results. If you don't want to keep it, you just have to click it over here in the 3 dots and then remove this field from your data frame. And then once you move it further, you will see now we have just the fields, region and state, grouped by only one single row for each state. Okay, so grouped by region and state, I was saying. Okay, so guys, see, it's very simple to remove duplicated rows in Tableau Prep. I hope you like it. If you like it, don't forget thumbs up. Don't forget to consider being a subscriber in our YouTube channel. If you are looking for more content related to Tableau Prep, just go to our YouTube channel. There is a playlist, a full playlist with lots of contents regarding Tableau Prep and also regarding Tableau Desktop. If you are looking for create dashboards with the results from Tableau Prep, just go to our YouTube channel. You will check out many contents related to this as well. Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Bye.